Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can log in into the online banking account of Johnson Bank. Now for you to log in, first of all, you need to open the web browser on your PC, and then on the search bar you need to type in johnsonfinancialgroup.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the web page, you need to click on the login option on the top right. Click on it. Now here you just need to type in your user ID and password and click on login. This way you will get logged in into your online banking account on Johnson Bank. But if you forgot your password or your account get logged, you can click on this option below over here, unlock/forgot user ID, and below forgot password. You can recover both the password and user ID. So here I'm just gonna show you a demo for how you can do it. Now once you open the forgot user ID link, here you provide all the details that has been asked of you and click on continue. And with this, bank will provide you further details with how you can recover your account. It's the similar process for password as well. You click upon the link. There you type in your user ID and click on submit. That way you will be moved forward for the second step for recovering your password. This is how you can easily log in and recover your account credential. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.